Halo Dimas Lovers, apa kabar semuanya? Semoga selalu dalam keadaan sehat walafiat dan tetap semangat. Oke, guys, pada video kali ini ada seorang gadis yang super cantik dan yang pasti beliau sangat kagum dan dengan suara tinggi Dimas Senopati. Nah, daripada penasaran seperti apa reaksinya, langsung saja kita saksikan. Mari kita tonton.
Welcome back to Pandora Plays, where I'm always so happy to see you. Today, we are watching a collaboration between Dimas and Alip Bapta, Dream Theater Another Day. It's gonna be amazing, I have no doubt. Let's jump in.
All right, Dream Theater Another Day, Alip Bapta, and featuring Dimas Senopati. This sounds like an 80s hair band song. Is it, Jonathan? Kevin, you my regulars, you guys tell me. He's got that 80s hair band vibe.
Ya, guys, link originalnya ada di bagian deskripsi ya.
Mercy in your eyes. If you're searching for a silent sky, you won't find it here. Look another way, you won't find it here. So die another day, you won't find it here. Look another way.
Dia sampai merinding ya guys.
Won't find it here. Look another way. You won't find it there. So try another day. Won't find it here. Look another way. You won't find it there. So try another day.
Wow, what a fantastic
Yeah.
collaboration. I really, really
Mantap,
loved
ya,
it.
guys.
I loved Alip Bapta's
Cuma
finger
dulu
work. He's
pembahasannya,
just so incredibly talented. I'm obsessed with him. I think I'm going to end up watching every single one of his videos. I am completely obsessed. I love him. As for Dimas, he was hitting those notes. Ooh, that was good. And when it turns into vibrato, so good. So good. I absolutely enjoyed it. He is incredibly talented, and that collaboration was genius. It was
That sounds like that sounded, I gotta see. It's a cover. It says it's an acoustic cover. Let's give it a thumbs up. I'm gonna see what it says. I don't know who did this originally.
Oke, mantap. Sepertinya gadis cantik ini juga seorang penggemar kucing ya guys ya. Nggak sama saya. Saya nggak sama. Itulah Dimas kelebihannya. Wanita-wanita cantik langsung terpesona mendengar suara-suara tinggi dari Dimas Senopati. Dan dari daerah-daerah manapun mereka berdatangan untuk mereaksi Dimas Senopati. Oke guys, terima kasih banyak bagi yang telah menonton, dan jangan lupa selalu nantikan video selanjutnya dari Marsa Reaction, dan link originalnya ada di bagian deskripsi, silahkan diperiksa. Oke guys, thank you.
Thanks for watching.